All right, let's get started with the material cause. What is a material cause exactly? Well, a material cause is that of which something is made out of. So, for example, we have a cup. Okay, it's made out of plastic. So the material cause is that which it is made out of. So it'd be plastic. We also have another definition called the form, and that's what the material makes up. So it's a cup. Okay, so these are two definitions in which we can distinguish certain items and also abstract ideas. So the Stanford Encyclopedia says that material cause, or that which is given in reply to the question, what is it made out of? What is singled out in the answer need not be material objects such as bricks, stones, or planks by Aristotle's lights, would be A and B are the material cause of syllable BA. So what that means is it's not limited to just physical things. So on this side we have the letters A and B, and on the form we have A, B being a syllable. It's obviously something that exists, but it's not physical. So the material cause is that of which something is made of, but it's also abstract. So another example could be a musical note. So we have musical note here on the right, that's the material cause. And on the left, for the form that it makes up, we would say a melody. It could be a song, it doesn't really matter. But it's abstract. Musical notes don't exist tangibly. But this also applies to the material cause because the melody is made out of musical notes. It's rather obvious. So the Stanford Encyclopedia also gives another example about bronze being melted. And so the example is sort of saying that it doesn't matter what shape it changes into. It could be a liquid, it could be a solid. It doesn't matter. It's still bronze. And the material cause is always going to be bronze. So in other examples, things might change. They might become liquid. They might also just change. But as long as as long as the material cause stays the same, it doesn't matter what shape it takes on. So that's important as well, because we don't want to get confused thinking that if it's liquid, it's not the same material cause. It absolutely is, and Aristotle wants that to be known. And so the material cause helps us understand the tangible world. So if you're building a house, you have the necessary materials that you need. The physical, the brick, the wood, the concrete, and the other materials. So understanding that allows you to understand the building blocks of the house. So the material cause could actually help you to understand the thing or the abstract idea, like the melody or like the syllable. And so it's important to understand this because it's the foundation on which the other forms are built on. It all starts with the material. It's the most basic way to look at what a thing is when we ask the questions of why things the way they are. We have to first start with the material. So there's a couple examples here. There could be a couple more, but all we really want to know is we have two definitions. Material cause is that which a thing is made out of, and form is what the material cause becomes. And so we also just want to make one more note that while this is mostly applied to physical, because that's what we think of when we think of material, it's also applied to abstract ideas. So those are the two topics that I really wanted to hammer down, and that's all for me. Thank you.